How can you transfer a movie clip from your PC to the iPad if you want to use it within VLC? Let me show you some possible options you have. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you have to have the VLC app at first, download it onto your iPad. That's kind of the prerequisite. But once you have it inside, you can see that you have more ways how you can stream or play media through the application. First of all, you can go to the browse section, and this allows you to somehow connect it wirelessly. So you can see we have the sharing over Wi-Fi or open network stream. So those options, for example, sharing through Wi-Fi, you can see that it's going to come up with a IP address or local URL, which you can just open up on your different device, like on your PC, and you can just stream your videos through that, right? That is one of the best options, and that's the cool thing about VLC. On the other hand, though, there are some different ways how you can put it. And my favorite way of playing media through VLC is by moving it into the folder within the Files app. So I open up the files on my iPad, go to the local storage, and there is a little VLC icon there. And anything that I move in here, like a video or audio file, will be like a local media that I can play through VLC. So right now from the computer, I only need to share it to this folder through, I don't know, Google Drive or any other method, or even through external storage or USB. But the point is to get it in here, and I'll be able to play it through VLC. So let me know what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanation videos like this one. I'll talk to you later, so stay tuned and I'll see you then.